Okay, so I finally found out there was an issue with the model. This is my fourth time doing this. But this is surface repair and patches. Let me get my bookmark. So you're going to open the part document and you see let's click out of there. See there's 3 open gashes. There's 2, and then there's 3. So what we need to do to repair this is fill these openings. So we're going to, on this first one, we're going to click filled surface and click this edge and this edge. We're going to change contact to tangent. We're going to make sure apply to all edges is selected, and then hit OK. So there's the first one. Going to go to patching the upper portion. Oh no. There we go. Of this. So we're going to use a lofted surface for this one. So we're going to go to lofted surface. We're going to click this one and this one, these 2 vertical lines. We're going to go to guide curves and click here. This is select group. So we're going to hit OK. So that says open group 1. And we're going to do open group 2. And just leave these how these are, I guess. Hit OK. For guide curves, like the 2 splines. Okay, so that one's done. You got a surface right there. You need to go in here and make sure that that 3D sketch is hidden because you don't want to accidentally click that. So then you're going to patch the lower portion by clicking filled surface and select these 3 edges. And make sure that this edge right here doesn't say 3D sketch on accident. So you're going to have that one at contact, apply to all edges, optimize surface, and then show preview so you see that. Hit OK on there. And then we're going to go to this last crack, which is right here. And if you go to the back, you see there's a face floating back there. I'm going to click that and hit delete and hit yes. And then we're going to, let's see how we fill this one. Boundary surface. This one is boundary surface. We use the filled and the lofted, so now we're going to use that. For direction 1, you're going to hit the 2 horizontal lines. For direction 2, you'll select your guide curves and hit OK. And let's make sure there was nothing else that had to be there for direction 2. Okay. Then we have to go into knit surface, and usually this is all the way down, and I'll show you why we need to have that up. But go to your surface bodies and see I selected the first one, so it's not selecting any of my patches. Hold shift and then click the rest of these. And if you have this all the way down, you'll have 2 gaps. You want to pull that all the way up, so you just have 1 gap. You're going to select merge entities and then hit OK. So now you have all your patches. And if you hit Control 7, you'll go back into ISO. And what you're going to do from here is thicken. Now the original instructions said to go down to here and hit 0.040 and symmetric. But if you hit OK, you get an unable to thicken surface. We found out that there is an issue in the model. So I think it is as well. If you go here, this is still broken, so unable to thicken. So we're going to go here, 040, and hit accept. So now you have your patched up surface, and you can see that patch runs all the way through. You can see this one right here runs all the way through, and then this sliver right here runs all the way through, so that's completely patched. So now if you were to go, I'd imagine if you go to shaded, yeah, so now you have a complete surface.